Hi, welcome back to another Notion Q&A. So today we have a question from Laura Sini. So he or she is asking that why are automations with 2 triggers not working when they work just fine with 1? So I thought this was a good opportunity to explain, as I myself faced this issue exactly in the past. So I set up this project database to kind of showcase this example. So we have project 1 and 2. And then the idea is that when I set status to done, I want it to fill in the completion date. And also once the completion date is being filled in, I want it to automatically update the completion date checkbox to check. So here we have 2 automation. So automation 1 is set status to complete, update the date. Automation 2, if the date is being updated, then we set the checkbox to check. So if I'm going to update the status now to done, so you see that the date is being updated, but the checkbox is not being updated. However, if I update the completion date manually, you can see that the checkbox is being updated. Of course, this is an unlikely scenario that you'll be using, but when you try to build more and more automations, then more dependency, you're bound to have this scenario where you want to have chain automation. So unfortunately, it's not possible for now. So my guess is Notion is trying to avoid people to kind of looping between automations. You might have multiple triggers, it just kind of continue each other. And there's probably more back-end reasons that I'm not aware of. But for now, if you're looking for any workaround, you can use third-party tools like Zapier or Pipedream to kind of work around this. That's it for today. If any questions, please leave in the comments below and I'll answer in the next video.